Isn't there a song out there, something about haters gotta hate? Hey, good Thursday morning, everybody. Our gospel today is from Luke chapter 11, verses 14 through 23. I don't have my contacts or my glasses on. I can't see. Anyway, it's an interesting gospel. Clearly, people are critiquing Jesus' work, and they don't like what he's doing, and even though he's doing good. And so Jesus calls them on that. And here's the challenge for me, is I can get pessimistic about things. I get pessimistic about people's ideas or whatever, and critical, overcritical. I mean, oh, that's stupid, and I'm sure I'm not the only one who's into that. And why? And I've done some look at that. Why? It's a good plan. It's going to help. Why don't I like it? It comes back to me and my ego. And I think that's what Jesus pointed out too. If it's not the way that I want to do it or I think is best, then I'm not going to like it, and so I'm going to critique it. And at worst, then I also get all passive aggressive, and then I don't participate in a great way. Done that before. And so what Jesus is calling us is that humility, to see beyond, again, myself, me, and I, and work together for the good. Because what's important is not if I get it done, but does it create good for all? The big part is, does it help build up the kingdom? And I think it's a good gospel for us today, because I'm heading down after Mass this morning. It snows, to a workshop that want to go to for the diocese, building intercultural competencies. It's about how we can work together across various cultures, with various cultures, to help build up the kingdom. And it's going to be a 3-day workshop. And some people are like, no, that's our negativity. Why? Who knows? I won't judge them. But I got to remember this gospel passage and make sure I have an open heart towards this and an open mind towards this. And keep us in prayer during these next few days. All right? So I'll see you back here on Monday. Even though I'm going to the workshop tomorrow, I'm not going to do the video. It's still Friday. Okay? Bye, guys. Enjoy.